Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how every body shape can look flattering if dressed right, especially for plus-size women. In a previous video, we covered an overview of choosing the right jeans for plus-size women. Check out it if you haven't already if you'd like to determine your body shape, and how to take your measurements to choose the size of the right jeans for you. The link is in the description. I will share some easy-to-follow dressing and styling tips to help you look confident and feel your best. These tips include ways to hide belly fat, look slimmer, and hacks to hide your problem areas and bring attention to your strengths. As we all strive to follow the latest fat diets and workout regimes to shed excess weight so we can look and feel our best, many of us don't have the time or we don't get the exact results we're hoping for. Not all of us are meant to be size 0, and the sooner we accept this and learn to love our bodies, the happier we will be. Whether you're a voluptuous plus-size woman with a sexy hourglass figure, a broad-shouldered girl with absolutely no curves, or a petite woman who has fallen off track with her weight loss goals or feels bloated or swollen, I'm sharing ideas to help you learn how to dress to look thinner, more confident, and show off the most attractive features you already have. Jeans are fantastic clothing items that can accentuate the parts of our body that we love. Don't let society dictate what you should look like. Instead, embrace your unique shape and style and find the perfect pair of jeans that make you feel confident and beautiful. Choosing the perfect pair of jeans can be a daunting task, but fear not. We're here to give you a VIP tour of the anatomy of plus-size jeans. Plus-size jeans are designed to fit individuals who wear sizes above the average range of clothing sizes. Understanding the anatomy of plus-size jeans can help you choose the right fit and style for your body type. Here are some key things to know. Let's start with the actual waist. Plus-size jeans should fit comfortably around the waist without creating a muffin top. Knowing your actual waist measurement can help you choose the right size and avoid disappointment. The waistband of plus-size jeans should be comfortable and fit snugly around the waist without digging in or creating a muffin top. Some jeans may have a stretchy waistband or a high-rise design to provide extra support and coverage. If you want to know how to dress to look thinner, finding ways to define your waist is a great first step. This helps create the illusion that you have that perfect hourglass figure with curves precisely in the right places because it creates an illusion that your waist is higher, so then you look taller. Also, consider wearing undergarments. When worn correctly, undergarments can highlight the parts of your body that you want to be highlighted and hide the imperfections. Your undergarments are just as important as your outfit. Take some time to get fitted properly and invest in good body shapers. Contrary to popular belief, wearing clothes that are too big or small for your frame doesn't always make you look slimmer. It's essential to choose clothing that fits true to size. When you shop, avoid sizing down or buying clothes that are too small in hopes of losing weight. Furthermore, plus-size jeans should fit comfortably around the hips and thighs, without being too tight or too loose. Look for jeans fitted with a contoured waistband and a roomier seat, and a thigh area to ensure a comfortable fit. The inseam is also important in plus-size jeans, as it can vary depending on the brand and style. Measuring from the crotch to the bottom of the ankle can help you find the right length for your body. The outseam, which measures from the bottom of the leg to the waistband, can give you an idea of the overall height of the jeans and help you find the perfect fit. There are also different types of hemlines, such as full-length or flood-length jeans. Full-length jeans go all the way down and almost touch the ground, making your legs look longer. However, they need to be the perfect length to look their best, and are less versatile, since they don't go with all types of shoes. Cropped jeans are kept between the mid-calf and ankle, making them slightly shorter than ankle-length jeans. They're super versatile and easy to wear since they don't interfere with your shoes. Keep in mind that they may make your legs look a bit shorter and are best cropped at the part when the legs start to narrow. In addition to different waist fits and hemlines, there are also different jeans fits, such as skinny, boot cut, and boyfriend. These fits cater to different shapes and parts of your body, so it's essential to know what works best for you. The leg opening is where you can add some flair to your outfit. This measurement can give you an idea of the tapering or style of the jeans. The leg opening of plus-size jeans can also vary depending on the style. Some jeans may have a straight leg or boot cut design, while others may have a tapered or skinny leg. The height of the waist is determined by the front and back rise of the jeans, and the level of the top of the waist in reference to the belly button. The front rise and back rise are important in plus-size jeans to ensure a comfortable and flattering fit. The front rise measures from the top of the waistband in the front to the crossing seams at the crotch, while the back rise measures from the top of the waistband at the back, straight down to the crossing seams at the crotch. These measurements can help you find the perfect balance of coverage and comfort. Plus-size jeans have a high-rise, mid or low-rise design depending on your preference and body type. High-rise jeans sit in the middle of your waist, usually above your belly button. If you are looking for clothes to make you look slimmer, avoid pleats completely and opt for high-waist jeans. To draw attention away from your tummy, muffin tops, or thighs. If you have a big butt, high-rise jeans will show it off beautifully. Mid-rise jeans fit just below your belly button and completely support your butt and hips. They are a great compromise if you find low-rise jeans uncomfortable, but still want to show off your curves. Low-rise jeans sit right on your hip bone and draw attention to your hips and butt. They can create muffin tops and may be uncomfortable if you're curvy. However, if you want to show off your butt, low-rise jeans are perfect for you. Keep in mind that they can make your legs look shorter and your hips and butt curvier. Opt for high-waist bottoms that are made with mostly structured fabrics and tuck loose fitted shirts into pants. This will help you look thinner. Look for plus-size jeans made from a stretchy and durable fabric that will hold its shape throughout the day. Denim with a blend of cotton, polyester, and spandex is a popular choice for plus-size jeans. Choose a dark wash with a high waist and pair it with pointy-toed shoes to add height to your frame. White and light wash jeans and pants have the potential to make your legs look thicker. So, if you are blessed with big thighs, always choose darker colors as they can have a more slimming effect. Overall, it's important to choose plus-size jeans that fit well, feel comfortable, and make you feel confident and stylish. And there you have it. A complete guide to the anatomy of plus-size jeans. With these measurements in mind, you'll be able to choose the right pair of jeans that fit you perfectly. Don't forget to experiment with different styles, fabrics, and brands to find the perfect pair for your body type and personal style. I first want you to make changes to find your beauty, love yourself, and then the rest of the process becomes much easier. Remember, these tips will be useful for a lot of women. Please share this video with your friends, and if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more information and interesting videos and tips. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the belly button. Oops! I meant the like button.